In today's video, I'm going to show you how to gain your first 1000 subscribers between 3 days to 14 days. If you apply this strategy on your channel today, you should count 3 days to 14 days. By the end of 14 days, you should be having the 1000 subscribers. You may get this number of subscribers on your 30th day, the 4th day, the 50th day, or even the 10th day. Now, this is a channel of one of my students before he applied the strategy. And this is the same channel on day 11 after applying the strategy. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This strategy works like magic. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben. And on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that every time I upload, you get notified. By turning on notifications, you get notified. And you never know, my next video could be the video that will help your channel to grow. Now, with this strategy, I'm going to take you in 2 steps. The first step, I'm going to show you the strategy itself, step by step on how you have to perform it. And then the second step, I'm going to tell you what you need to do and what you don't need to do. In fact, if you do these mistakes or if you do something wrong, the strategy will not work for you. So you have to watch this video to the end so that you know everything, step by step, what you need to do, how to do the strategy, and what you're not supposed to do. Don't watch the half of the video and go apply the strategy and come back saying the strategy have not worked for you. Make sure that you watch every step. Watch each and every single step in this video. Now, to apply this strategy, you'll just need your mobile phone. You can use your Android or iPhone. But for this case, I'm going to use my iPhone. Now, you got your phone and then you open your Instagram app, okay? You need to make sure that you have Instagram on your phone. If you don't have Instagram on your phone, install the app from Google Play Store or App Store and then sign up with a new account, or if you have an old account, you can use the old account. Now, once you're done installing the app and signing up in the app, what you do next, you go to this search tab or search sign that you see down here. Now, these are the videos that are trending on Instagram, okay? So you choose any video that you like or any video that you actually see that this video is going to attract people's attention, okay? The video that can keep engagement and keep people watching, people liking, okay? So you choose any video that you feel like, yes, this video is so amazing. So what I'm going to do right now is to play any video right here. And this is one of the videos that are trending on Instagram. Now, once you find a video that can attract people's attention, what you need to do is to download this video, and this is how you're going to download it. So you tap on this share button and then you copy the link, okay? You just tap on copy the link. As you see, the link has been copied for this video. Now, once you're done copying the link, what you do next, you minimize Instagram and then you go to App Store or Google Play Store and you download an app that can download videos from Instagram. For example, I have these apps. There is InSaver and Instart Save. And this is how this apps works. Let me use InSaver, okay? So just open the app, it loads. And remember, I've already copied the link of the video that I want to download, okay? And after opening the app, as you see right here, the link that I copied from Instagram is automatically pasted here. So what I do is just tap on Get Post, okay? So this app is going to download that video automatically. And as you see, this is the video that I copied from Instagram. So I'll just tap here and the video will save automatically. This video has been saved to my gallery. So what I'll do next, this is now the next step that we need to do, okay? Now, after the video has been saved to your gallery, what you do, you minimize this app and then you go to YouTube. So I go to YouTube right here, open my YouTube app. And after opening my YouTube app, this is what I'll do next, okay? Now, in the YouTube app, what you do next, you tap on this plus sign right here. And once you tap on the plus sign, you go to Shorts, okay? Now, after opening Shorts, this is what you're going to do next, okay? You just tap on your gallery right here. As you see, my video was saved 3 times. So what you do next, you just tap here on Done. And this is what you do next, okay? All right, it is processing as usual. Now, once you're done, what you do next, you just continue by tapping here on this tick right here. And then what you do next right now is now to add your own copyright so that this video doesn't get flagged by YouTube for copyright, okay? So what you do, you just tap here on add sound. And once you tap on add sound, as usual, you'll see this different kind of music. Okay, so you choose a kind of music that you like. But for this case, I'll recommend to choose a kind of music that is going viral on YouTube Shorts. Okay, so you choose any kind of music, but for now, this is the song that is going viral on YouTube. The song by Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga, Die With a Smile. So I'm going to use this song for this shot today, and I just click on the song and the song will choose automatically. Okay, so the song is actually processing, and as you see, the song is now in the video. Now, after adding the song, this is what you do next. You tap on this speaker sign, the volume sign on the right upper corner right here. And then after tapping on it, you will see this. So there is your audio and there is Die With a Smile. So you reduce the volume of the original audio of this video. Okay, so you reduce it from 100% to completely zero. Okay, you mute the entire audio of the original video. And once you're done, you just tap on this X sign right here, and that will be saved automatically. Now, after that, what you're going to do next is to add captions on this video. The reason why we're changing things around is to make sure that YouTube doesn't flag this video for copyright. If we add something, that means that we are adding value on this video. Okay, so we have added the audio and removed the original audio of the video, and we are now adding our own captions. Okay, so I'll just tap on the captions right here and then type something, anything on top of this video. Now, this is what I've actually tapped on the video. Wow, epic pottery. Okay, after that, I'll just tap on done here and then position my caption right above here. Okay, and by doing this, I'm adding something on this video, something original on this video. Now, this is what you'll do next. The next thing is tapping on next right here. And once you tap on next, the video will begin processing. Okay, and once it's done processing, you'll go to this next screen. Now, on the next screen, the first thing you do is to change the thumbnail of the video. You just tap on this pencil sign and then you move around. You choose a thumbnail that can attract people's attention when it's recommended to someone in the homepage of YouTube. Okay, so you just look for the best thumbnail for this shot. Okay, now for me in this case, I'll just put it right here. As you see, this spot looks like something like a snake or anything of that kind. It will literally attract someone's attention to click on this shot. Now, after saving, what you do next, you add a title. After that, you make sure that you add a hashtag shorts. Okay, so I'll just put a hashtag right here and then add shorts as my hashtag. Now, after that, what I'll do next, it is to schedule my shot. I will not upload this shot directly to YouTube. I will schedule it, okay? You just tap on visibility right here, and then you go directly to schedule. You know, sometimes scheduling content confuses people. Now, when you're scheduling your content, you don't need to bother about the three sections or the three options right here. Don't care about this, okay? Don't care about the public, unlisted, and private. Don't care about that. Just go directly to schedule and tap on schedule, okay? A lot of people are getting confused with scheduling content, okay? So after tapping on schedule, choose the time and date that you want your content to be public. So you just tap here and then you set your content. Today is 19th. Now, if you're uploading this show today, you don't need to schedule it for the same day, okay? Now, for example, today is 19th, okay? You can schedule this video for 20th, 21st, 22nd, but don't schedule the video for today, the same day that you're uploading the video. The reason is you're giving the algorithm enough time to analyze your shot and to know the right people to recommend your shot when it goes public. So for this case, I'll choose 20th and tap on OK. After that, I'll choose time. Let me upload it at midday, around 12 p.m. So I'll just choose 12 p.m. and then OK. Okay. After that, I go back. I just tap on back. And what I'll do next is scroll down and tap on altered content. Altered content simply means that did you create this video using AI? You say either no or yes. If you created the content using AI, you say yes. If you didn't use AI to create that particular content, you said no. Now, for this case, I'll say no because I did use AI to come up with this video, okay? All right, after that, you click back right here. And now what you do, you upload. You tap on upload shot, okay? And When we come right here, you realize that my video is uploading. This is my second channel, and I'm actually using this trick on this channel to grow it. Now, these are the things that you need to know before you apply this strategy on your channel. The first thing that you need to know is that you need to upload 3 shorts to 6 shorts every single day. You can upload 3 shorts, 4 shorts, 5 shorts, or 6 shorts every single day until when you get the 1,000 subscribers. You may get the 1,000 subscribers on your 30th day, your 4th day, 50th day. If you want quick results, I recommend uploading up to 6 shorts every single day. The second thing that you need to know and the second thing that you need to do, after hitting the 1,000 subscribers, what you need to do is to delete these shorts. Yes, you have to delete these shorts because these shorts are not your content. These shorts are not in your niche. And when you leave these shorts on your channel, they are going to keep on bringing more subs on your channel. And if they bring in more subscribers that are not interested in your content, once you begin uploading your real content, these subscribers are not going to watch that content. So you have to prevent this kind of divided audience. So the target here is getting the 1,000 subscribers. Now that you have got the 1,000 subscribers, you need to delete this content out of your channel and begin getting new subscribers through your own content. And these new subscribers are going to watch your content. If you found this video helpful, like it, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if your problem is watch hours. I explained on how I get over 3,600 watch hours in a period of just 7 hours. Yes, in 7 hours, not 7 days, not 7 weeks, but in 7 hours. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.